So this is part 2 of our video of playing the new update. And if y'all didn't know from last video, red flashlights, new area, and camera.
Yep.
Alright, let's go. So we're going to be teaching you how to make 5K really easily. And
so
we're just in the setup process. Skip to this timestamp if you already have requirements for this. But basically the requirements is buying this, which that's why we want to go through here so you can buy it.
But it's expensive, so if it's your first time, make sure you.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Yeah.
So first timers, don't do this. You have to have at least 2K before you continue on. Which, if y'all want to easily get 2K, pretty sure in our video we covered that.
What the hell is this?
What? Smiling woman.
Wonder how much it sells.
Summon. Hope, can we test out the price real quick?
Yeah. What is that?
Whatever, you can hold that. Key. I got the key! I was going to get the key. Yo, just put it in your backpack.
Where is my backpack?
Behind you!
Where's my backpack?
But whatever, we're buying something. You just hold on to it for now. Come on.
My pack? Did I not have a backpack when we started the video?
I think. I don't know. Alright, so you wanna get this and get only the blues. Reds are pretty bad, but you can carry the reds. You can carry the reds because blues are. Don't grab blues of your hands because blues hurt you. Make sure you hide behind cover. But
Blues don't hurt.
Blues don't. Blues hurt if you grab them. Like, don't grab them. That's what I'm saying.
It inverts your whole entire fucking screen.
Alright, now you want to go down here? After you looted? Hurry up! Okay.
Okay, if you get hurt a bit.
Yeah, then you want to grab the blues over here. And then get these blues. Let's go! Hell yo. Hold up, and hold up. Actually, just in case, I'm gonna get a red! Huh? Alright. I'm gonna carry one of these reds. But see, reds take up a lot of space, that's why we don't get it. And yeah. By the way, new glitch. Look, you know how you touch it? Owie, it does a lot of damage. Yeah, he's doing it. You don't have to touch it with your hands. Does no damage. Same with face. So,
well,
another glitch for y'all.
They need to fix that.
Yeah, I hope they don't fix it. It's really helpful. Alright, to make this a quick tutorial, so basically, what you want to do here is you want to scale up to there. You want to take the bridge, like him, and hop, come over here. Come over here. What we're gonna do is make sure you're on the blue option, and then you can do this. You can't do that while holding something in there, by the way. Just show you. Alright, come on. Since we grabbed blues, this is just a tutorial. Don't worry about this price, because since now you have these.
And then boom!
That was in
3K.
One backpack, by the way. That's one backpack. One backpack and one extra red.
One pack?
That you could have held it with your hands. So, 3K if you're alone, but we're gonna do this as a 2-team because 2 people is the best perk of the strat. And if you can't find 2 people, you can go in the Animal Company Discord and do find company.
You can also ask people in public servers also.
So now you're ready and set up. And by the way, blue is repulse. And hold up, and look, and this is for red. Whoa, holy shit. But you can grab it and then throw it on the ground. So yeah, it's pretty useful. And that's also what's gonna come in, use for the strat. Alright, hold up. Alright, let's go. I recommend having this in your backpack while you do something.
She's right there.
I know. And you want to find the key. And by the way, key is not specific to where we look. Key's only to where you look. And I don't think rooms are. Key. I got key.
Alright.
God damn. Ow, fuck.
Shit, I forgot to FX you.
Alright, now, this is where you want to throw your grab this.
Throw your flashlight.
I hope you guys know how to use this, because you do need to have decent knowledge. So, you want to grab this, and you can just open up your backpack and shoot it right in, usually.
I'll grab the reds.
No, yeah, you can. I don't know if there's a price difference, though. Oh, there we go. You have to do it at that angle for some reason. You gotta use the blue to easily travel in between here faster. By the way, there's some thick, chunky ones that you don't want to get. That one right there. Oh, never mind. Forget about that chunky thing. We're down here, but you don't, for some reason. There we go. Got that one in. No. Coming. Oh, I gotta grab it.
Let me pick that up.
Alright, I have a basically full backpack. Ow! Yeah, but you'll see if you. Oh, I'm gonna go down. Yes! Got it. First try. Alright, I'm gonna sell my backpack. Again. Not gonna sell your backpack? Why?
Let me know.
Alright, now we're gonna sell 2 people, by the way. This is 2 people. Oh, yeah. 2 people.
$4,000.
Yeah,
right
you should have, bro, you should have gotten, the blue. There's plenty. Let's go test how much that painting is. 602. Free 602 for blues. Yep.
Okay, blues are better. Blues are better.
Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Yeah. Sayonara, my friends. Ah! Ah!